Struggling to add your Tidal account to your Namecheap Hero site? In 4 clicks, you will have your music live on your website. No complicated coding, no digging through settings. Just a quick connection that actually works. So here's the plan. I will walk you through each click, opening the editor, finding the right section, and authorizing the connection. It is really that simple. This is a step-by-step visual guide put together by Adriel Rivera from Namecheap, so you know you are in good hands. All right, let us get started. First, you need to open your website in the Namecheap Website Builder Editor. This is where all the magic happens. So go ahead and log into your Namecheap account and find the site you want to work on. You are looking for the option that says Edit or Create Your Websites. Click on that. It will open up the Builder interface, where you can see your whole site laid out in front of you. Take a second to get your bearings. Everything looks a little different when you are in edit mode, but do not worry. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, here is where we start making the connection happen. Look for the highlighted area on your page. This is the section specifically designed to add integrations like Tidal. It might be a blank space, a widget area, or a specific block that says something about adding music or social links. Click on that highlighted area. This is what opens the door to the Tidal integration. A new menu or sidebar will appear with options for what you want to add. Just click right there on that highlighted spot. It is almost like the site is telling you exactly where to go next. So now that we have clicked that first highlighted area, you will see another highlighted section appear. Click on that too. This second click is what actually brings up the Tidal connection options. You might see a list of services or a prompt asking you to choose a platform. Just look for the Tidal logo or name and click on that highlighted area again. It is a very straightforward process. Namecheap has made it so you do not have to hunt around. Just follow the highlights. And here is the really important part. Now you are going to see a button that says Continue. Click on that. This is the final step. When you click Continue, it opens up the authorization screen. Tidal will ask you to log into your account and give permission for the connection. Once you authorize it, the connection is made. Your site and your Tidal account are now linked. This might take a moment to process, but once it is done, you will see your Tidal music appear right on your website. That is it. From not knowing how to connect your account to having your playlist live for the world to see, you went from frustrated to finished in just a few minutes. Thanks for following along, and I hope this made your day a little easier. Happy building!